DigitalToolSuite.com. 16 tools in one at DigitalToolSuite.com.
In this video, I'm going to give you a quick tour of our platform so you can easily access all the tools we have available for you to grow your business. All right, so let's go ahead and dive in through all the tools we have in our platform. So the first thing we have to the left is builders, right? So I click builders and you can access the drag and drop site builder. If I click that, it's going to give me two options. One is my sites. Here's a list of all the sites that I have created with the platform. The one that's graded out is inactive, so to make it active I can come here and just publish it, and then the blue one is actually active. So if I click, it's going to take me to the website, and if people access through that link, they'll be directed to this page as well. Okay, then right below actually is the new website, so here's where I would go to create a new one. I can also access that area through here. So let's go ahead and click new website, and here is where you would access all the different templates we have made available to you. So if you want to start one from scratch, just select the blank page and then you can start a website from scratch. And if you want to use some of the templates we have, it's all categorized based on niche. For instance, right here I have bakery, I have nutrition background, home design, education, so you can browse through the different types of templates we have made available to you. We have funnels, which is really cool. If you click the down arrow, you'll see that we have different types of funnels, like a bridge funnel, ebook magnet, fishbowl, giveaway funnel, membership. All these are pre-made funnels, which is phenomenal. If you just click and view some of these funnels, and once you select, you click edit, you just connect a few things, go through the training, make sure that you understand how easy it is to connect all the pieces of the funnel, but within a matter of minutes, if maybe a couple of hours if it's your first time, but if you've done it a couple of times, you can actually do it in a matter of minutes, just editing the content and connecting the pages, and you're good to go. Okay, so the next thing we have is the app creator. If I click that, it's going to open up on a new tab, and I'm not going through all the different options right here, but I wanted to point out to you that I've created a test app. I started creating, actually, it's not published yet. So if I click on the edit button right here, I just wanted to show you what it looks like. So you've got your editor and then a preview of what the app looks like, and here's where you would go to create your brand new spanking app. Okay, let's go back to the dashboard. All right, the other option is to create a responsive site or a blog builder. Let's go ahead and click this right here, and it'll bring up one that I've created for test purposes. So if I click that link, it's going to show that it's live. And here's just another option. Some people like to use this builder instead of the other one. I prefer actually the site builder. It's much easier, faster to use, and you've got a bunch of options, but this is also available to you. You can quickly access and begin just editing a few things. Okay, another very important tool we've got in our platform is our autoresponder, which is called the email marketing and automation right here this tab, and is the mailing boss. So if I click here, it's going to open up on a new tab, and here's the interface of the application. So here you can quickly begin access what you want to do. In this case, if I wanted to create a new subscribers list, I just click here and begin creating that. Let me just show you what it looks like. So if I go to subscribers list, then I have 4 already created. I named them 1 field, 2 fields, 3 fields, and such. But as you can see, it gives me a snapshot of the list. For instance, I have 12 subscribers on this list right here. I have 85 on this one right here. Okay, so that's where you would go to access your autoresponder. Okay, so right underneath autoresponder, we've got design and design studio. Okay, so under design studio, you've got a ton of mock-ups that you can use and quickly edit in order to be able to do a nice design. I mean, I love this tool. It's probably one of my favorite tools because I can easily come in here, insert the image that I want, and then download it or make a GIF and put it on my website. We have a ton of different templates or mock-ups that you can use. So as you can see, if you're using it, or if you need to create a banner for an ad, this is the place where you want to visit and begin creating. Or if you just wanted to create a mock-up of your site and put it on a computer screen or iPad or a phone, that's where you would go. Okay, so let's go back to design again, and we've got another tool which is called the Presentation Builder. This is sort of your PowerPoint, but it's much better in my opinion in terms of its user friendliness, and also be able to embed it online and people can easily access. So if I just click the button so you can see, one's obviously I just put in a couple of images for you to see. I hit enter, it's online, so I can just share this with the world and begin my presentation by just going through the slides. Okay, so that's where you would access this tool, and we got the trainings on how to use each of the tools under the knowledge base. All right, the next one, we've got videos. Under videos, we've got animated videos. Again, it's going to open up on a new tab, and here's where you would create your animated videos. So we've got a ton of templates that you can use. If I select this one right here, it's going to open up the template, and if I click play, you'll see that's all animated. You can easily just click and begin typing or changing the images, and once you're done, you can add music and download and upload anywhere you want. Okay, the next under videos is the floating videos. For this section, I'm going to show you a quick example, but that's where you would come to begin editing your floating videos. So let's go to builders, drag and drop site builder in my site, and you'll see that I have under alexpayne.me, I embedded a video right here, and you'll see that it'll begin playing.
If you're looking for ways to use the...
All right, so I'm going to pause this. I remove the background of this girl, right, the video, and basically embed it on my website that I've created for example purposes. Okay, so that's what it does, and it's pretty cool. So under videos, again, we've got animated videos and the floating videos. We've got then the applications, and under applications, you've got the Facebook integrations tools, and for Facebook apps, here's where you would go to begin integrating and with Facebook, and begin sending notifications to people to their browser. Facebook notifications, intelligent posts, and Facebook lead capture. Basically, this is the area where you would integrate with opt-in pages, create a button, and instead of people typing in their email and information, you would put a Facebook button. Once they click, it's going to ask for authorization through Facebook in order for you to begin sending them notification. Okay, and then we have browser notification. Again, this is the browser notifications is basically this right here. Let me show you that website that we just opened up so you can see what it looks like. Obviously, this is just an example, but it's going to show up here at the top.
If you're looking for ways to use the internet to make money.
Okay, so if people allow me, or you can just edit that banner to say whatever you want it to say, but if people allow me to send them notification, it's a very effective tool. If they allow me, I can start sending notifications and messages to their computer. So you're not asking for an email address or their name, so it's very easy. People just go ahead and allow. So a lot of people are using this option on their websites these days. Okay, so under apps, again, we've got the browser notifications, the SEO on page tool. Here's where you would go to type in your keyword, your website, and it'll give you a report of what it looks, or how it looks, your page looks in terms of SEO, and it'll give you also the different types of suggestions for you to change on your page in order to for you to have better chances to rank on Google. Okay, the click map, very cool tool as well. Here is where you can measure how people are clicking or interacting with your site. In this case, I just put in this one right here as an example, and
if you're looking for ways to...
As you can see, the red dots is where people are clicking the most, right? So right here and such. I just put this yesterday and I've got some clicks, probably from people that are finding through my trainings. Okay, but that's where you would access. All right, so back to apps again. Review Exchange it's a cool tool we have made available. If you want more information about this, just go ahead and follow some of the trainings so you can see how to implement that. But you can exchange comments on people's blogs and websites, and that way increasing your chances to rank on Google. Facebook inbox answer, this is really cool as well. You can just go through this and set this up and just connect to your Facebook account, and once people post something on a particular post, you can select which post you want to set up this application. If they start typing, you can just or automatically or preset some messages to go out and begin interacting with people. Share Locker, it's a new tool we just developed. Is for people that in order to access a certain information, they need to share that on Facebook, and then it's gonna give people access to that screen. Okay. Woof, I believe we've covered everything. Besides the apps, let's see, the knowledge base right here is where you have the tutorials. Another cool thing we've made available to our subscribers or our clients is the roadmap. So if you go to roadmap, this is a cool place where you can see the development process that we are in. So in queue, next up, in development, and released. Okay, so if you have a new suggestions, or if you want to submit something, you have a request of a particular tool or feature, you can always click this button and submit it to us. We'll put in line, and depending on how people vote based on importance, we'll put our development team to begin developing the tool and make it available to you guys. So this is phenomenal, and you can actually follow along to see the development process and where it's at with everything. Okay, so this concludes our quick tour. That's not so quick, but at least you have a good view of the dashboard and the platform and all the tools that we have made available to you. So you can begin using the tools to increase or grow your business. Thank you very much. I'll catch you in the next video.
DigitalToolSuite.com. 16 tools in one at DigitalToolSuite.com.